Now the first step here in assigning DRGs using the principal diagnosis is to correctly identify the principal diagnosis itself. It is very important because different principal diagnoses will provide us with different DRG decision trees. And once this decision tree has been chosen, we are kind of confined to a given number of outcomes. If we chose this principal diagnosis, these are the questions we are going to be presented with. This is the decision tree. For the other diagnosis, this is the decision tree we are going to go down. And there is absolutely no communication between these trees. So if we realize that we picked the wrong principal diagnosis, we started from the wrong point, we have to go back to the very beginning, reassign the principal diagnosis, and do it again. So if we have our principal diagnosis down, now it will have to be decided what major diagnostic category it belongs to.